By the time the dog rescuers reached the stray German Shepherd in early 2016, the pitiful pupper was so traumatized that she was unwilling to trust her human saviors. Even though it was obvious to the California Rescue Party that the doggo desperately needed their help, nevertheless she refused to go with the animal altruists. But that was when one very special member on the Mercy mission sprang into action, a pit bull called Lucy. Kill Kern was an animal rescue charity based in the city of Bakersfield in Kern County, California. Before closing its doors in December 2017, apparently the anti-animal euthanasia organization had been responsible for saving the lives of some 400 dogs. Most of these unfortunate creatures were either strays or at risk of being put down in a local kill shelter. And among the 400 canines that Kill Kern successfully helped to give a second chance to was a German Shepherd who volunteers for the charity, dubbed Queen. The poor girl had been exposed to the elements, living in a field when the organization first heard of her in April of 2016. As a result, it wasted no time in arranging to visit the site and come to the young dog's rescue. To assist them in their efforts, the Kill Kern crew had brought along the charity's beloved pit bull, Lucy. This special little dog was a huge part of the organization, even acting as the not-for-profit's mascot. However, on this occasion, the clever canine was about to prove herself to be more than just the rescue team's lucky charm. When the squad arrived at the field, Lucy was the first to spot Queen hidden among the wild grass. The pit bull led her human companions toward the stray, but as they got closer, the German Shepherd turned tail and fled. It was clear that the poor pupper was almost petrified in fear of the strangers. However, the Kill Kern party was well used to upset animals, and the volunteers were in no mood to give up on Queen that easily. In an attempt to coax the canine into their grasp, the team members set up a cage in the field and placed some tasty treats inside. However, whether the food would succeed in luring the canine to safety was another matter. The rescuers then left the area where they'd set up the trap. They hoped that Queen's curiosity would get the better of her if there were no scary humans around. And soon it appeared that their plan had paid off, because when the Kill Kern personnel and Lucy returned to the cage, they found the sad-eyed stray inside. As rescuers approached the distressed dog, it was clear to see that she was both young, they put her at about 9 months, and extremely frightened. The German Shepherd's legs quivered as one of the team reached inside her cage and attached her to a leash. With Queen now in their care, the team freed the pupper from her temporary prison and led her to an awaiting car. Now that the rescue team had successfully captured Queen, they were able to deliver her to the sanctuary of their shelter in Bakersfield. And it was there that Lucy, the pit bull's job, really began, because it was the tawny-colored dog's duty to help new arrivals settle into their fresh start at Kill Kern. Indeed, volunteers at the center had identified little Lucy as having the perfect personality to care for her kennel buddies. The pit bull's patience came in handy when helping fierce or fearful canines to socialize at the facility. So, needless to say, the rescuers knew Queen was in a very safe set of paws indeed. And Lucy's hard work must have made a difference, because once Queen had built up her confidence around humans, she was transferred to the tender ministries of Marley's Mutt's Dog Rescue, an animal welfare charity based in the nearby city of Tehachapi, California. Once at her new home, Queen was named Rena. She also took part in the shelter's Positive Change program, which matches former death row doggies with Californian prison inmates to help rehabilitate both parties and give all concerned a second chance. After graduating from the Positive Change program, a rehabilitated Rena was finally ready for her forever home. While Rena was still shy, she had proven herself to be a clever girl who wanted nothing more than a best friend to journey through life with. Consequently, Marley's Mutt's Dog Rescue announced that Rena was up for adoption on its official Facebook page. The post from January 2017 read, "One of the late additions to the program is this pretty girl Rena. At only a year and a half, this young, easygoing girl is sure to be popular as soon as her bio is up on the website within the next few days." The update underlined what a well-behaved dog the German Shepherd was. It went on to say that Rena is a very sweet girl and has excellent manners. She loads up in her crate with a simple verbal command and happily sleeps on her soft bed all night. She adores running around, playing with other dogs, and isn't an overly rough player. The glowing reference continued, "Rena is gentle and sweet with kids and just wants some love. Like many shepherds, she's cautious in new environments and takes a couple days to really settle in and relax. There's not a mean bone in her body though, and she simply will hang back and observe until she's ready to participate. Next, the Marley's Mutts dog rescue post turned its attention to what Raina would require from her adoptive new owners. The update continued. This petite young lady will make someone an amazing addition. She would love an active family with another pup playmate. The update concluded by advising potential owners, a daily walk and game of ball will keep Raina content as she's not overly intense. Teaching her tricks and expanding on her basic obedience would surely boost her confidence and help establish an unbreakable bond with her new family. With such sweet words, thankfully, it did not take long for the perfect family to snap the prize pupper up. By the end of that same month, the German Shepherd had found her forever home. Happily, judging by another social media post, it now looked like Raina had all she needed. She was pictured with a human mom, a brother and sister, plus another four-legged friend to keep her company. In one final update, Raina's new mom, Nikki Stiles, shared an image of the lucky girl in late January of 2017. The once homeless hound appeared content, cuddled up on a couch alongside the little girl. Indeed, the German Shepherd looked perfectly at home, as though she was always meant to be there. Here's hoping that someone showed Lucy the pit bull the picture, and it set the animal's tail wagging in approval. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to make sure you never miss a video from our channel.